It's going!
After felling a tree in the forest, people use various methods to extract them. For companies specializing in wood production and extraction, they will use industrial machines to make the process fast and efficient. However, there are ways to fell trees that do not require speed or difficult to access forest areas, and these involve some extremely interesting methods. So, what are those methods? Let's explore them together. Please like, share, and subscribe to support our channel.
Your first 50 cal.
Using a short AK gun to chop down trees is not a common method, but it is still used in some special cases. This process requires the user to have skill and experience in chopping trees with the AK gun, as well as following safety regulations. During the process of chopping down trees with the AK gun, the user must approach the tree and shoot bullets at the base of the tree to fell it. This requires the user to have good shooting skills and know how to choose a safe and effective shooting position. However, the method of chopping down trees with the AK gun can pose many dangers if not done correctly. The user of the AK gun must ensure that no other people or animals are near the area where the tree is being felled to avoid accidents. Using this method also requires strict management during the harvesting process to avoid unnecessary risks to humans and wildlife living in the forest. It requires the supervision and monitoring of highly specialized professionals. Chopping trees with a machete is a method that has been predominantly used until now. To chop down a tree, the worker must measure and calculate the dimensions of the tree trunk. It is essential to prepare a sharp machete for this job. It will help the chopping process to be quick and effective. If a large and sturdy machete is used, chopping the tree will be easy. But with a small machete, how can we handle it? We need to have chopping techniques and use another heavy object like a piece of wood to hit the machete blade will create force on the tree trunk, making the chopping process quick. The current method to tilt the machete 40 degrees and chop small slanting cuts on the tree trunk and repeat the process many times until the tree is almost falling. However, this method takes a lot of time and effort and requires the worker to be careful and meticulous while working. Chopping down trees with explosives is a method that is being used to create convenience and efficiency in tree felling. However, this method also brings unwanted consequences for the environment and humans. To understand more about this method, first, we need to understand how explosives work in tree felling. Explosives are used as a type of lightweight explosive material that can create high pressure when detonated, helping to destroy the tree's roots and make it fall. When used correctly, the method of chopping down trees with explosives can increase efficiency and reduce time and costs compared to using a machete or other machinery. However, this method also brings many unwanted consequences. The use of explosives not only destroys the tree's roots, but also affects the surrounding environment, causing air pollution and noise pollution, disrupting animals and plant species living in the surrounding area. Cutting trees using helicopter methods is a technique widely used in the forestry industry today. This method uses helicopters to move tree cutting tools up and down to difficult-to-reach areas on hills, mountains, or dense forests, making tree cutting easier and faster. Using helicopters to cut trees not only saves time and labor, but also reduces environmental impact. By carefully selecting the trees to be cut and directing the fall properly, the helicopter operator can minimize damage to nearby trees and avoid damaging the roots. However, cutting trees using helicopter methods is not entirely safe. Danger can occur if the tools are not packaged and transported properly. To ensure safety for workers and avoid damage to the environment, it is necessary to comply with safety regulations and procedures when cutting trees with a helicopter. It's very interesting, isn't it? No matter what method we choose, it requires us to have the necessary knowledge and skills. Understanding them will make the job more efficient and avoid unnecessary risks during the process. Hopefully, after this video, you will gain more knowledge related to logging. To have more videos in the future, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support our channel. Goodbye and see you again.